How to reset and recover Shopee account password. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. First and foremost, open up a browser in your device. Search for shopee.com and give it a search. When you land in the official homepage, select your country or region. For the sake of this video, I'll select mine. In this dialog box, enter your phone number, username or your email address. Since we want to recover our password, let's go ahead and tap on Forgot Password. You can tap on Forgot Password, or you can try the password that you remember. In this dialog box, enter your email address or phone number. If you enter email address, Shopee will send you a link through which you can easily recover or recreate a new password. If it provides an OTP, and that is if you provide your phone number, you can enter the OTP code in the dialog box given to you. You can decide if you want to recreate a password or just recover your account. Either way, you'll be able to reset and recover your Shopee account password. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.